अपने फेवरेट शो प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड ने कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं 3,500 एपिसोड्स। पिछले 10 साल से मिल रहे आपके साथ ने इस शो को देश का लॉन्गेस्ट रनिंग एंटरटेनमेंट न्यूज शो बना दिया है। 3,500 एपिसोड्स की इस जर्नी में चेहरे बदले, तेवर बदले, लेकिन नहीं बदला हमारा न्यूज के लिए पैशन। प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड की शानदार अचीवमेंट को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए दिया मिर्जा और सानिया मल्होत्रा आई हमारे स्टूडियो और केक कट करके इस शानदार अचीवमेंट को किया सेलिब्रेट। इस खास मौके पर दिया मिर्जा और सानिया मल्होत्रा बनी हमारे शो की एंकर।
Hi, I'm Diya Mirza. Welcome to Planet Bollywood. आज की हेडलाइंस हैं, क्या हुआ? चौंक गए? I'm not allowed to be an anchor. I think I have every right to be an anchor because today is a very, very special day. Today, Planet Bollywood completes 3,500 episodes.
वक्त बदला, स्टाइल भी बदला, चेहरे भी बदले, पर इनका पैशन है।
Don't know everything, okay?
Watch this.
You have made history for making this industry a much safer place for women.
Congratulations, Planet Bollywood, for completing 3,500 episodes.
This is your one-stop destination from all the latest happenings from the world of Bollywood.
Today, we are going to reverse roles. I'm going to be asking Rudrani some very important questions क्योंकि मैं हमेशा ये सोचती हूँ कि आप हमेशा हमें इंटरव्यू करते हैं, हमारे बारे में सब कुछ जान लेते हैं, लेकिन हम कभी आपको ठीक तरह से जान नहीं पाते। Of course, ऑफ कैमरा जान पाते हैं, लेकिन ऑन कैमरा नहीं। तो today I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
Yeah.
Are you game?
I'm game. Dia is also a very intelligent person, so it's going to be fun.
Oh dear God, the pressure of the intelligence.
Always.
Okay. One thing I've always wanted to know about you is, তুমি বাঙালি?
একদম।
একদম না? হ্যাঁ, তো আমার মতন।
হ্যাঁ।
আর্ধেক বাঙালি কি পুরো বাঙালি?
I think বাবা বাঙালি. Mom is Tibetan.
Oh, deadly combination. So tell me, what was your childhood dream? Did you always want to be in the news, in the media?
I actually wanted to be an IFS officer, which is an Indian Foreign Service, and I was obsessed with it because I used to see them go to places, they used to have opinions representing your country.
Yeah.
But I think eventually when I was doing botany honors, I realized that I had a lot of opinions and I loved discussing and communicating with people. It was during the time that I decided that probably journalism is the field that I would get into.
Tell me, what has been your standout interview? One that you will never forget in the 7 years that you've been doing interviews.
I think standout interviews.
Okay.
I might not have been, a part of the interview that we specifically did because we made the anchors do it with Tanushri. But for me, when we sort of, when I sat with Tanushri and I understood the entire story, and I realized how it is important that we look at survivors in the right way, and the way she told me that, media 10 years back was so different.
Yeah.
And today, when we are discussing this, I see a change. And for me, I didn't want that to be just a statement. I realized that changed me a little as well. I realized that there's so much responsibility that comes along with the jobs that we do, along with the, gossip stories, along with all the news updates that we do. There are very few moments in life you want to take it and you want to really do something. For me, this phase, because, post the fact that the video went viral after that and, Janice then got in touch with me and said, I saw and the entire thing started. And the journey of how then women, the fact that I was able to understand what they went through will be my best experience ever. I really hope that this continues. Talking to survivors who came on board, told us what they went through. We had Kritika who spoke about, that she was almost, it was an attempt to rape. And for the fact that she thought we had, we were responsible enough to tell her story, for me, I was just overwhelmed. And I think this will be the best
The most important phase.
Most important
so far.
for me. Yeah.
You know, I did say I'm going to ask you only 3 questions because while you were answering this one, I thought of one more. And I think it's so important for the audiences also to discover this about entertainment journalism because I've felt it. I mean, I've been in the industry now for 18 years and I felt it. And I see a change and I do believe that people like you have a big hand in bringing that change. But, you know, for the most part, entertainment journalism, especially on television, was very frivolous. The line of question was very like on the surface. People never were interested in how we felt as people, what we really cared for. And I think there's been a shift. And I think, Rudrani, people like you have brought that shift. What more would you want to change in the manner in which we conduct entertainment journalism and the line of questioning that we adopt?
Thank you so much. I wish I don't think we can afford you. I wish we could hire you. But thank you. And I also feel that the entire team during this phase and otherwise was so supportive. Like the entire Planet Bollywood team from start to the end was so with me on this. For me, that was, I think, an easier thing to do because there was nobody who questioned saying, are we doing the right thing? Yeah. I just wanted to put it out there.
No, that's very important.
Yeah, because I think all the men and women, I think all the men in my team have been so supportive. You know, it was insane. Because they sat day and night. You know, they were extremely, extremely empathetic. When you had women on camera, you know, breaking down, they told them, let's take a break. You know, we were not trying to, usko thoda aur rulao. That's what happens, you know, talking about the change. I feel, and this is to answer your question, to be specific to how we dealt with Me Too, and I will go to the other point. I think what we need to do is we need to first be more empathetic. And I realize that we look at them as subjects of story. What we tried to do this time, and we really hope that we continue doing this time. I will not say that we've not done... Yeah, for everything. I think the subject needs to be less of a story and needs to be first a person to you.
I've had so much fun. Haven't you had fun discovering Rudrani? I think I have. There's so much more I can talk to you about. But we are here to celebrate a very special occasion.
Yes.
And we want everyone to be a part of it because we couldn't do it without you or you.
Yeah.
So, should we call them?
Yes, we should. We're going to do a little cake cutting. And
we're going to do Happy Birthday Planet Bollywood.
Little bit Happy Birthday Planet, like 3,500. Okay, before I get into that, I have to ask you. You've been an integral part of our journey. You've seen us grow, literally. So tell us what you think that we can do better. We'd love feedback, and of course, what you've liked and about Planet Bollywood in general.
Well, I think we're all evolving. And I think with our personal evolution comes the evolution, of course, of the channel and the content. And one can see that. Like I said in the promo line, chehre badle, waqt badal gaya, par passion nahi badla. I think at the core, you seek to entertain and you must continue to entertain. But I think what we need to also understand is our idea of entertainment. And you, in your answer, so beautifully conveyed how you want to treat human beings as people and not subjects, and bring more empathy to stories. But more than anything else, celebrate intelligence and celebrate curiosity and really give voice to those who have not been heard. And I think that's what Planet Bollywood has been trying to do, and I hope you continue to do that because it really shifts the narrative. So, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And may you have another 3,500 and many, many more. I have no idea how old I'll be by the time that happens. But
whatever the age, she'll still look amazing because she has a great lifestyle. So if you can ever...
I'm young at heart forever.
Yeah.
That's basically the mantra.
And that is why you look young, no? That's exactly how we should be.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
forever. Lovely. Hip hip. Hooray! 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 Thank you. Thank
Make
you
her have
all.
a little. No?
Yes. Some cream.
Yeah.
Woo! Thank you.
Thank you.
You want some cream?
Thank you. Give me some.
Yeah.
Leather. Thank you so much, Diya.
Thank you. Well done, guys.
वक्त बदला, स्टाइल भी बदला, चेहरे भी बदले, पर इनका पैशन Zoom know everything, okay?
Watch this.
You have made history for making this industry a much safer place for women.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Planet Bollywood, for completing
3,500 episodes.
This is your one-stop destination from all the latest happenings from the world of Bollywood.
वक्त बदला, स्टाइल भी बदला, चेहरे भी बदले, पर इनका पैशन Zoom know everything, okay?
Watch this.
You have made history for making this industry a much safer place for women.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Planet Bollywood, for completing
3,500 episodes.
This is your one-stop destination from all the latest happenings from the world of Bollywood.
हाय गाइस, आप सब देख रहे हैं प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड और मैं हूं आप सबकी चहीती बबीता, चुटकी, रेने और आने वाली फिल्म में मिलोनी सान्या मल्होत्रा। और आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं 3,500 एपिसोड्स ऑफ प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड और हमारे साथ हैं मिस रुद्रानी, आप सबकी चहीती मेरे बाद। तो रुद्रानी, आपको कैसा लग रहा है मेरे साथ यहाँ बैठ के?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। पहले मुझे जानना है कि ये आप एंकरिंग बहुत पहले से करती थी, क्योंकि आप इतनी नेचुरली करती है, किसी से प्रेरणा लिया आपने या ऐसा कुछ?
देखिए, मैं बचपन से ही करती आई हूँ, ठीक है, पर हम यहाँ मेरी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम आपकी बात कर रहे हैं रुद्रानी। तो जी। आप बताइए, आपको कैसा लग रहा है मेरे साथ यहाँ बैठ के?
पहली बात तो 3,500 एपिसोड्स बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। इस जर्नी का मैं छोटा सा हिस्सा हूँ, तो हमारे लिए ये बहुत स्पेशल है कि you're with us। मुझे ये जानना है कि हाउ डू यू आपकी अर्ली मेमोरीज क्या है, अब हाउ डू यू फाइंड आवर शो एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट?
आई एम हैविंग सो मच फन एंड आई told you yesterday for me giving interviews I get really nervous talking to people, but you make me feel so comfortable. It's like talking to a friend and not giving an interview. This is very special. First of all, congratulations guys for 3,500 episodes. That's a big thing. I love Zoom TV. मैं तो बचपन से देखती आई हूँ, मेरी मम्मा भी देखती हैं। तो काफ़ी स्पेशल है ये दिन, और काफ़ी स्पेशल है मेरे लिए क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पर हूँ फॉर 3,500 एपिसोड और अपनी फिल्म भी प्रमोट करने आई हूँ, जो भी मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है क्योंकि वो मेरी दूसरी फिल्म थी और अब वो फाइनली रिलीज़ हो रही है। तो रुद्रानी, आप बताइए, आपका लाइफ का सबसे बेकार इंटरव्यू आपने किसका दिया था?
सबसे बेकार? मैं हर जवाब बहुत सच्चाई से दूंगी, पर इसके बाद मेरे भी कुछ सवाल होंगे जो उनको बहुत सच्चाई से बात करनी होगी।
वो हम देखेंगे।
नहीं, वो ये डील हो चुकी है, ठीक है। सबसे बेकार इंटरव्यू मुझे लगता है कि आई एम श्योर शी इज़ अ स्टार इन हर ओन राइट एंड नो ऑफेंस, बट मुझे लगता है कि मैंने राखी सावंत का इंटरव्यू किया था और मुझे वो काफ़ी फ्रिवलस लगा था जब मैंने शुरुआत की थी, क्योंकि वो इंटरव्यू नहीं रहा, वो कुछ और ही, इट वाज लाइक आई वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ प्ले। तो पता नहीं क्या हो रहा था वहाँ पे डिस्कशंस, तो मुझे वो आई डोंट थिंक मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया था वो इंटरव्यू, क्योंकि मैं उसमें काफ़ी, मेरे शक्ल से लग रहा था कि मैं काफ़ी ऑकवर्ड थी, और जो मतलब जो हो रहा था उस इंटरव्यू में। तो अब मेरी बारी,
पूछो।
आपके अनुसार who is the most you feel slightly overrated in the industry? It can be director, it can be an actor.
Don't know.
नहीं,
मैं हूँ। मुझे लगता नहीं कि किसी ने मुझे अभी तक रेट किया, तो I'm not.
Of course you've been critically acclaimed.
ठीक है, then it's me.
Really? Wow, what a way to be honest. कि खुद को बोल दो, बाकी पत्थर मारेंगे मुझे आके।
नहीं, but I can't think of anyone. ऐसा कोई नहीं मुझे लगता।
You feel you're overrated?
मतलब पता नहीं,
अभी खुद को
कुछ बोलना था इसलिए मैंने बोल दिया।
आपको हॉलीवुड रिपोर्टर के ब्रेकआउट स्टार की लिस्ट में ऐड किया गया था। Was that pleasant? Top 5. Was that pleasantly surprising?
It was actually. I was really happy. First, I didn't know कि it's like that big a thing. But then people started like posting it on Twitter and Instagram stories, and I was like, okay, it's quite a big thing, but I'm like thankful. to them.
You're also one of the most self-aware actors I know, who's aware of the things around them, and there's a lot of empathy with you when you look at things around. When we were covering stories here for Me Too and otherwise, and we did it here, and Bollywood broke the Tanushree story and all of that.
और मैंने भी कुछ interviews देखे थे. So I was really happy. You guys did a very good job. And as you said, I don't want this to like die out or या मैं नहीं चाहती कि लोग इसके बारे में बात नहीं करें, because I think काफ़ी लोगों को platform मिला अपना story बताने का, क्योंकि it takes I think a lot of courage to come out and talk about something like this. And हमारी ये job थी कि हम उनको सुने बैठ के, और लोग सुन भी रहे थे और मुझे लगता है सुनते भी रहेंगे. मैं भी ये चाहती हूँ कि जितना भी हम उनको सपोर्ट कर सकें हम करें, अपने जितना भी हमसे हो सकता है उन लोगों के साथ, और उनकी कहानी सुने. ये सुन के ये नहीं कि यहाँ से सुना एक कान से निकाल दिया और उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा, और ये सोच रहे हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है अभी तो हो रहा है, कितने टाइम में ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा. ये लोग बहुत जल्दी इस बारे में बात करना. यस एग्जैक्टली. बट मतलब ठीक है आप इंटरव्यू लें, आप उनके बारे में बात करें, बट उससे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि हम इसके प्रति कुछ ऐसा लॉ निकालें इन चीज़ों के प्रति जहाँ पे हम ज़्यादा सेफ अपने वर्क एनवायरनमेंट में फील करें. तो वो भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. टू
सेलिब्रेट द मोमेंट दैट यू आर हियर, मुझे ये जानना है कि अगर आपको एंटरटेनमेंट जर्नलिज्म के बारे में, या हम जैसे एंटरटेनमेंट जर्नलिस्ट हो और हमारे शो के लिए, if you had to give a feedback that we'd like to positively take.
As an actress, people usually ask us controversial questions. Not you, but a lot of journalists. They're not concerned about how we prepare for a role, because there are so many actresses who do so many things for their characters. पर वो question कभी आता ही नहीं है कई इंटरव्यूज़ में. तो आप वेट करते रहते हो कि yeah, I gained 10 kgs for my character in 1 month. Okay, you guys don't care about it. That's okay, that's fine. But who's the hottest actor out there? That's more important. तो ऐसा होता है. But मुझे लगता है ये चीज़ थोड़ी बहुत कि सिर्फ एक्ट्रेसेस से ये ना पूछें कि कौन सा एक्टर उनको ज़्यादा हॉट लगता है, या who is dateable and who is not dateable. That is not important, because
हर चीज़ कॉफी विद करण नहीं हो सकती है.
नहीं, बट वो नहीं.
साना को नेक्स्ट सीजन में साना जाने वाली है.
पता नहीं, आई होप बुलाएं. पर वही यही चीज़ कि छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ये सब कि हम भी मतलब काफ़ी काम करते हैं फिल्मों में, सिर्फ एक्टर्स नहीं कर रहे हैं, एक्ट्रेसेस भी काफ़ी कुछ करती है अपने कैरेक्टर्स के लिए. हम महीनों प्रेप करते हैं. जैसे रितेश ने बताया, निम्रत ने 4 महीने प्रेप किया था फॉर हर कैरेक्टर इन लंच बॉक्स.
और शायद ये पता ही नहीं था किसी को.
या एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता निम्रत से ये पूछा होगा. निम्रत से पूछा होगा आपके साथ किसके साथ काम करके आपको
अक्षय या नवाज. हाँ
एग्जैक्टली, यही चीज़. तो ये छोटी सी चीज़, क्योंकि ये कभी कभार मुझे बहुत खटकती है. नॉट विद यू, बिकॉज एज आई सेड आई रियली लाइक टॉकिंग टू यू, बिकॉज it's not an interview. We're like having a conversation, which feels good. तो मेरे को एक तो मैं बोल भी नहीं पाती हूँ, मेरे को इंटरव्यूज़ देना मेरे को ऐसे इंटरव्यूज़ देना पसंद नहीं है. तो ये चीज़, एक छोटी सी चीज़, प्लीज़ गाइस याद रखिएगा.
I think that's great feedback. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you for having me here. Thank you.
मैं कोई का पीस काट रहा
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो सबको.
वक्त बदला,
स्टाइल भी बदला,
चेहरे भी बदले,
पर इनका पैशन है. Zoom know everything, okay?
Watch this.
You have made history for making this industry a much safer place for women.
Congratulations.
Congratulations Planet Bollywood for completing
3,500 episodes.
This is your one-stop destination from all the latest happenings from the world of Bollywood.